Hey Rebels, day 6 of 7 to your Rebel confidence. If you've been scared to hit record, this one is for you because your message doesn't need perfect lighting. It needs your voice. Confidence does not come before you start. It's built while you're doing it. The first video you make might feel awkward, and you know what? That is okay. It's not about going viral, it's about being visible. So here's my 5-step speak, teach, win formula. Meet them where they are. Teach a quick win. Bust a limiting belief. You could tell a story and end with a call to action. When I filmed my first video, I overthought everything. The background, the lighting, the cat walking across the desk, the dog barking. When I posted it anyways, people connected because it was real. If you want scripts and templates to make this easier, that's what we cover inside my Legacy Builder program, and I would love to share that with you. But you don't really need that to start. Tomorrow is our grand finale, day 7, your social stage superstar moment. Check out my link below to join the Rebel Den, and remember, the world can't cheer you on if it can't see you. Rebel Granny out.